Okay, hello there, Year 8. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple stand for your clock. So this is my green spiky clock design, and I've stood it up using the last video, and now I'm going to show you how to very simply add a stand to it. So as always, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw like a piece of paper to draw my shape onto. So I'm going to get the rectangle tool, and I'm just going to draw a shape like that. So that just means that I know exactly where I'm drawing when I'm designing my stand. Now I'm going to do a very simple stand. It's going to be a right angle. So I'm firstly just going to draw out a line that goes to there. In terms of thickness, the aluminium is usually about 1 millimeter. So I'm just going to go up by 1 and press enter. I'm going to go across. And then again, I'm going to draw a line 1 across here, and then that's going to go all the way to the top like that. Then I'm going to get my rubber and rub out all the lines that I don't need. So I don't need that little line there. I don't need any of these lines for this sheet either. And that just leaves me with my very simple shape, my very simple stand. All I've got to do now is get the push-pull tool. Click on this side. I'm going to pull it all the way to this side, spin it around, and I'm going to pull it all the way to this side like that. And there we have the very simple stand. Now, as always, I'm just going to make a component. Now it's much easier. Instead of selecting all, to triple click on it. So I'm going to click, click, click with the left mouse button, right click, make component, OK. So that is now a separate component. And finally, I just need to get the paint bucket tool, go on to materials, and I'm going to find metal, and then go over to this one, which looks a bit like aluminium. Click on that and select my component. And that is how you make a very simple stand. Now, obviously, you can add a curvy stand if your design's curved, but obviously that is much trickier. But I will quickly show you how you can add a curved stand if you like. So as always, sheet of paper, just going to draw it over here. And then what you want to use is the curve tool. So we're going to click on arc and maybe go to this one here, the second one down. I'm just going to draw a simple arc or curve. Click the point you want and then click. As always, I'm just going to make it the thickness, which is 1. So pull out 1, enter. Click here, up, 1, enter. I'm going to go back to the arc tool and I'm just going to draw a second arc, click on the 2 points there, and then move it until it lines up perfectly like that. There we go. Rubber, get the rubber out, rub out the piece of the paper we don't need. And just like we did before, we're going to get push-pull, and we're just going to push-pull that shape as however thick that you want it. There we go. So that could be your stand. Select it all, right click, make component, OK. And that is how you make a stand either curved or straight. Thank you for joining me.